Hi, I'm Heather with Parkway Sleep, and this is the Airfit N30i mask by Resmed, and this is what you have chosen for your therapy. This mask is what we call one of our nasal cushion under the nose style masks, which means this pillow just fits under your nose and you'll line your nostrils up with these two holes here. This is one of our tube up options, which just means that the tube comes at the top of your frame system instead of in front of your cushion here. It will connect to your tubing just the way any other mask might, just like so. The end of every tube is universal, so no matter what machine or what tube you have, you can use this mask. This mask comes with a quick release option, which just means that if you get up to go to the bathroom at night, instead of taking your whole mask off, you can just squish this and pop it out. Keep your mask on, go do what you need to do. Come back, squeeze those little buttons again, attach it, start your machine, and go right back to sleep. The mask, to disconnect, you just do that kind of like a little bending motion. This mask consists of 3 parts. It has your fabric headgear, your silicone frame system, and then your cushion. This mask cushion removes by pulling it out of the sides, and sometimes it does take a little bit of force. Don't be afraid. To put this one back in, you will just line up these arrows here. No matter which size you have, might be the medium with a blue, or a small with a red, or the large with a gray, as long as the arrows match up together, you're putting it in the right way. Additionally, if you look in the mirror and the wording is right side up, you're good to go. And it just snaps back into place. You will wash this cushion daily with Dial antibacterial hand soap or some unscented baby shampoo for those of us who have sensitive skin. And you'll just, when you wash your hands, you'll just take this to the sink with you, rub it in between, make sure you get any, debris or oil off of that cushion so you get a good seal when you go back to bed that next night. The rest of your mask, the frame system, and the headgear gets washed weekly. You can use that same hand soap or baby shampoo that you use for the cushion on the rest of your mask and all the rest of your supplies as well.